Hello, in this video we have this 30 cube plus 40 cube plus 50 cube, and our goal is to express this one into a single exponential form of exponent 3. For the solution, we copy first the given. Then we have to consider the basis of the numbers to be added, 30, 40, and 50. This 30 can be written as 10 times 3, 40 can be written as 10 times 4, 50 can be written times 10 times 5. Now, using this rule, a times b raised to n equals a raised to n times b raised to n. This is the rule that we're going to apply in this problem. So, we see that we have 10 cube times 3 cube plus 10 cube times 4 cube plus 10 cube times 5 cube. Then getting the common factor, which is 10 cube, we have 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So you have 27 plus 64 plus 25, and that is equal to 216. This 216 can be written as 9 times 24. This 9 can be written as 3 squared. This 24 can be written as 3 times 8. Then this 3 squared times 3, that is equal to 3 cube. Then this 8 is 2 cube. Applying this rule again, you have 3 times 2, that is 6 raised to the third power. Again, applying the rule, you will have 10 times 6 raised to the third power. So you have 60 raised to the third power.